Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Attracted to me. Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Come wind up by me.
Good morning.
You ever see some people like a love? Ouch.
What make
Love.
you want to take down that small spoon?
Love just sound something. And then they eat it and they start running.
I know you talk about.
That woman.
What I
You
do?
don't pop out camera on people. I mean, they pop it on him, he
I want
you run
to
from
put
here.
on go up, you know, put on pan this morning.
Of course, he put it on Harry.
I'm coming in this morning. Just not how to them out the channel. Because they're trying to make it kitchen.
If you have calm in there, don't play. Yeah, and they cook flour and they cook. Just straight flour alone. Now you may talk to me.
It's harder to mix out.
Huh?
It's harder to mix out.
Huh?
It's harder to mix out.
Everything mix out.
It's harder.
Calm in, get fat.
Is that for tea? Tea? She's like, I'm just joking.
No, you weren't.
Don't make it sit.
You weren't! Listen.
You guys see this? You see this? Y'all see
Listen.
this?
Oh.
Oh.
Bati pami.
Mana yang saya orang ni nak aku.
Ya no.
Mana
Ay
no.
na bati pami. Take bati pami na.
Baca ni, meeting kamu.
You're tough like crackers.
Now you tough like a tough crackers.
No. No.
That's the flour we use.
Baca.
I want kind of dumpling that day.
Wait.
That day.
Magic one.
Eh? Something there. My name is Salpi.
My youth.
I feel a spoon dumpling that day. The roll of fish and tuna.
A foreign flour.
This is a piece of crowning.
I flour crown.
You can set your blizzard.
What?
We should put this up on me.
You're already on it.
No.
Get the back of my leg so hear you.
Eve!
You're so grumpy. You know, so when all the going grumpy.
Okay, your ma.
All the going go so. As a niece, you're going to walk.
That's what you're gonna want. Look at look what you do. You do it
No,
good right now.
when me and granny, me going nice and sexy.
And tough.
No, I'm going to shape like a buckle of Pepsi. We're going cute. We're going to be cute as granny
The
ever.
whole shape like a red stripe buckle.
Go ahead.
Long and shade.
No.
Wah! Oh,
Your teeth them long no giraffe.
Arsenal score.
Yo, me tell you something, feel me ball, yo. Yo, me say we down the top about the ball, me say me have to go back the ball. Eh? Eh? Me say me want to know what kind of ball I want to
Chelsea and the
sell.
rest of our team, Arsenal.
Eh? What kind of ball I want to sell? Eh? What you fuck? Run with some Chelsea boy, you know. Come on now, Arsenal. Go on, Wally. Go on, Wally. Talk your mother, boy. You bumbo, Wally. Quadra. Quadra and get shot.
Squid, why are you so quiet?
Eh? Hey, sit down, Grenga. Sit down.
Yo, Squid's so quiet right now.
One more of them now. Chop him, mumbo clad. Yo! Ready? Well, alright. Hey, boy, chop him too. I go in the great. Come on, no, boy.
Chop though.
Let's drive in the car. Let's buckle our wheels on the bicycle.
Make money off of this summer video.
Ice cream time! Come on. Come.
Ice cream, vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, chocolate.
That's fine. How much you want? How much you want?
Okay, yeah, give me one.
Give me a base food. What flavor do you have? Biden? Roman raised the cookies and cream, orange pineapple rainbow. Devon knows younger brother.
Yeah.
B13. And I fell asleep and I woke back up because Ziggy, I'm joking. Now I woke back up because the rain is so heavy outside and it's been raining since... When has it been raining since, Ziggy? Like 11? 10? It's like 11, like 10, 11 in the night. Heavy. Ziggy's here. He's the one who woke me up, kind of, plus the rain. Playing Call of Duty. He sucks though. I got him this far. I don't even know if you guys can hear the rain in the background. It's raining so heavy. Well, it's kind of eased up now, but it was raining heavy before. Today was kind of like a chill day. It rained earlier, but it was like light. Ziggy and his whole posse watched the Arsenal game, Arsenal-Chelsea. Yo, it's so funny watching Jamaicans watch, well, they call it football, with soccer. Like, the way how they cuss the TV, and the players on TV is just hilarious. And then, yo, when their team scores a goal, they just go crazy, like, they bang on everything. It's pretty funny, it's entertaining, I'm not gonna lie. You would what? You're not going to no army. Yo, every time I say I want to go to the beach, it starts raining. And it's funny because I have friends that are in like Kingston right now. And I posted a snap of the rain, and she's saying how it's not raining on that side. I'm like, yo, it's crazy. Every time I come down here, it rains every damn time.
So, can
Anyways, I'm going to bed. Z can stay up playing the game. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. Good night. Ziggy. Ziggy.
My folks.
What?
Ziggy Moon.
Moot.
I agree.
Yo, doesn't he look different? I have to zoom in your face because...
Oh god, oh god, oh god.